What do you think the number one thing you need to succeed in marketing is? I'll tell you. And I know this because I've been in corporate marketing. I worked for agencies. I worked as a consultant in marketing. And I know for sure that the number one thing that you need to succeed in marketing is, drumroll please, tenacity. Tenacity? What the heck am I talking about? Yep, tenacity. How do we define it? Well, I mean, there's a couple of ways you could define it, but one of the definitions that I saw when I did the Google, someone who does whatever it is that is required to accomplish a goal. Boom, mic drop. I love that. I love that because on this channel, what we want to do is fight the enemy of mediocrity. You see, there's nothing more that I hate. I am slaying the enemy of mediocrity because when I look around, when I look at a lot of marketing out there today, what I see is a lot of phoning it in. What I see is a lot of average. What I see is maybe some pretty graphics, but there was no thought given to the messaging to really make this marketing piece effective, to make it cut through, to drive results. When you want to succeed in marketing, you have to be driven by results. So you're not going to be able to phone it in. You're not going to be able to just take a stab in the dark. You got to have to be strategic. You're going to have to get focused, and you're going to have to elevate. You're going to have to level up your skills, your tactic, your messages in order to succeed in marketing. See, the truth is that nobody wins by winging it. You can't just wing it. You got to level up. Let me tell you a quick story. About 10 years ago, I was the marketing director for Kelly Zitlow. She's a top 1% producer in the mortgage lending business. We set out on this journey to start doing video marketing. And we were using YouTube as a platform, as a library to host Kelly Zitlow's videos. We would film the video. I would upload it to YouTube. Back in, 10 years ago, there were no thumbnails or no thought given to titles. I didn't have any idea what the audience really wanted to know. I was just making videos about topics that we thought were interesting, and we would just come up with something. We just wing it at the last minute. Okay, what happened this week in mortgage, and what could we make a video of? We were just winging it and just throwing it up on YouTube and saying, hey, go search my YouTube video library. And we did this for a very, very, very long time, years and years and years. I didn't understand the opportunity that existed with YouTube. It really wasn't until I came across a channel called Think Media, and I met a guy named Sean Cannell. And when I watched his video, I couldn't believe it. I had never watched an hour-long YouTube video in my life prior to this. He blew my mind because I didn't realize prior to that the opportunity that existed on YouTube. I was really just using it as a place to store Kelly's videos, and we weren't using it as a business model. This was a huge mistake. I lost years of time in helping her grow her channel and drive business through YouTube by just simply winging it, by not investing the time to find out what would really drive the result, what would drive mortgage leads, what would drive monetization. To be honest with you, before I watched Sean's video, I didn't even know small channels could monetize. The truth is I knew people made money on YouTube, but I thought you had to have millions of subscribers to do that. I didn't know that you could make money on YouTube with a small following. I really had no idea prior to that. So once I started to get some education, then I could start taking some actions, build a plan, and then we started really accelerating her channel so that she drives business and drives results. I try to imagine, oh my gosh, how far along would I be if I would have understood the opportunity, if I would have created a plan, if I would have invested my time, energy, and money into learning more about YouTube from the beginning. Make sure you subscribe to this channel because I'm taking a holistic approach to marketing. It's not just about video marketing, although we will be talking a lot about video marketing, something I'm super passionate about. I have a ton of knowledge in this space, and I want to share with you some of the mistakes that I made so that you can succeed in marketing. Some of the mistakes, like I said, about not understanding the opportunity that existed with YouTube prior. Well, I've got all kinds of things that I want to share when it comes to marketing, not just about video, but really about all the things that make a successful marketing program. So if you haven't done it already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And not only that, I've got something for you, something I think that you'll find a lot of value in. I have a checklist of all the areas that you need to succeed in marketing, all the 10 things that you need to help you create a successful marketing program. Check it out in the description below. It's a free download. I highly recommend. Also, I just want to say, I want to thank you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching this video, because if you're here and you're still watching, then I know you have the tenacity. You have what it takes to succeed in marketing, because you're out there trying to educate yourself, get the knowledge you need to succeed. You're trying to fight the enemy of mediocrity just like I am. Produce great work that you not only feel proud of, but that gets the desired result. That's really what we're all about.